Okay, welcome back. It is day 162, 3. Um, so it's 17 minutes until midnight, so I'm going to do just something very quick. Um, Probably just a leak code, but like even that can take more than that amount of time. As for what I did today, studied linear algebra. That's about it. Started making a cheat sheet for my computer system principles. That exam's at 8 a.m. Monday, so tomorrow's going to be a lot of studying that, and tonight a little bit. Um, and then study more linear algebra tomorrow. And yeah, that's basically it for that. So let's gonna move on here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I even just have to chat GPT this. If I can't figure it out on like first try. Du-du-du-dum. It's gonna be probably really bad videos up until Thursday. Because I just need to focus on linear algebra. Um, 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 Pascal triangle. What is U? Given an integer, num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal's triangle. Don't get what that means. I'm not trying to understand that. Um, SQL. What is this? SQL. I do not want to deal with that right now. Oh, just give me something really easy. Counting bits. I hate bit stuff. Given an integer n, return the array. Wait. Given the integer n. Oh, so it's literally just given n, return that many binaries. Wait. 0, 1, 1, 2. What is this output? Oh my god, bro. I hate this. This isn't what I just clicked, right? That is exactly what I just clicked. Add strings. Given two non-negative integers, num1, num2 represented as a string, return the sum of as a string. Okay. Okay. That should be kind of easy. So we just given a num1, num2, we can you not just say num1 is equal to an int num1 print? Is that valid? Looks like it's valid. Um, That it? No. Of course there's a fucking exceeds. Okay, what's the trick here? What is the trick here? I don't have enough time really to be doing this. System dot. Are you serious? Oh my god. That's disgusting. Okay. Well, that was just to get the coding part of the coding every day done. Um sorry about I'm not apologizing. Whatever. It's not going to be good videos the next like 5 days ish. It'll probably be something like this, just trying to find 10, 20 minutes throughout my day to just do like a coding thing. Because like I said, I need to do good on these finals. Uh, so yeah. So tomorrow is probably gonna be the same thing. Actually, I do have a project for my 230. For the one I have a final for that is due Monday. So tomorrow maybe I'll do that here. Um, and other than that, yeah. Um, that's what the week looks like. And then after this week, well, we can actually start working on some personal projects and some stuff that, I'm interested in. So, okay, I will see you tomorrow for another pretty bad video, most likely. Okay. Take care. Bye.